Okay, we have 2 left that we are going to assemble, and the 2 that I left for last are pretty simple assembly. I'm going to start with the Christmas tree, which is the decorative die and the actual tree stump. I did include the outline die, so that is available separately. I am going to take my outline die to create the base. So I'm going to take my tree here, grab my double-sided foam, remove the backing, stick that on, pop that out, fill in our shaker, I'm going to use some of the green pearlescent included in my shaker card in my kit, some of the pops, and some of the jelly gems. Now I've got the base of my shaker. Remove the protective cover over that second side of adhesive. Take my piece of acetate. Since this is a little bit larger, a trick to that is to kind of hold it over the center and curve it. Place that down, and there we go. I have my really fun Christmas tree shaker. Now take your sheer glue, do a thin layer around the end, add your decorative die, and there you go, your beautiful shaker. I'm going to add my little tree stump to the back. Add a little sheer glue. I am going to just center it right there. So I'm going to take my bow and just add that to the top of my tree here, just like in the die guide. So now I have a really adorable tree. I love that big bow, so cute. And this would be a great time to go ahead and add in any of your beautiful embellishments. Add some bling to your tree. Okay, for the second one, I'm gonna set my tree right there. We are gonna be creating this ornament. And what's really nice about the ornament is it has this really big open space here that is perfect for incorporating one of your stamps from your stamp set included in the kit. So I am gonna take my stamp here, I'm gonna ink it up, and I just chose the simple Merry Christmas. Again, I'm following the die guide, and I'm going to center that to the best of my ability and stamp that down. Give a good even amount of pressure. And now I have my Merry Christmas stamp. And now we are gonna work on creating the base of our ornament. I am using the outline die, which you can add onto this kit. I am going to take the double-sided foam, peel off the protective backing, center that, pop the center out, and now we are going to fill in our beautiful shaker here. I'm going to use some of the toppings that came with the kit, add some of my pops, and some of my red jelly gems. Now we're going to peel this off the protective layer. Grab your sheet of your acetate. This one's kind of big as well, so I'm just gonna fold it up a little bit, and then drop it down. And now here is my shaker. Add my shear glue. Because this has a larger opening here, I'm just going to take a little piece of red liner tape and just attach that to the back of my decorative die before sticking it onto my acetate. Now I'm going to go straight down here, hold that in place. Oh, the snowflakes are just so pretty. I really love that detail in the design. And if you notice, the snowflake in this background matches the individual snowflake that is paired with the snowman. So that is going to be a really fun accent on your card as well. Okay, and I'm going to take my top of my ornament, and I did cut that out using the beautiful glitter foam. So I've got the ornament topper. There we go. And then I'm going to take my bow that I've created and go right over top there. I've got some adhesive on the back. And then there is our ornament. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create all of these shakers. If you're just checking out this video, make sure you go back and watch part 1 of how to put together each individual shaker from the Jolly Jingles kit. Thank you so much for watching.